Welcome back to the Hollis Urban Garden. Many blessings to you all. I'm just coming on today because I already harvested some of the garlic. Well, all the garlic that I'm going to pull today. And my other phone memory is full. But look at that. You got a decent size here. That's a really good size garlic. I waited so long. I guess the paper started turning brown. This is small, but I have an even small. What's that? They were all falling over and paper brown. So I was like, let me get it. Let me get it today. But also, I want to take you guys and pan over the garden. Ooh, blueberries. Look at these raspberries. We've been harvesting off of these things. Oops. Pan over the garden. But I came on. Yeah, so here goes some of the raspberries. To show you the onion and garlic. Look at that. I waited so long. The paper is coming off. Or gone. That's a big one. This is a weird shaped one. Now, if I could find my shovel, I'll take you guys. What do I do with my mini shovel? I don't know what I did with my mini shovel. I am going to take the rest of the onions out with you. Look at that. Look at that. That's a decent sized onion. These were the three that were stuck together, if you remember me showing you in the videos. The odd shapes, which is fine. I'll take it. Well, they were definitely ready. Let's get the weeds out to prepare for other stuff. Let's see. Let's pull this one out. Yeah, the paper turned brown and everything. We hadn't watered, even though I think Mr. Hollis just sprinkled over here. We hadn't watered, but that's another one. These are white onions and yellow. And ooh, look at him. He's like, yeah, don't grab it. The spider. No, I will not go ahead and grab it. I will knock you off of there. Because it's mine. Ooh, there's something in there. I felt it. Okay, so get off of there. Don't touch spiders. We don't know what they do, like what if they're poisonous or not, so we don't touch those at all. This is still pretty. Oh no, this is ready. Yeah, that came out too easy. This was extra ready, and obviously a red onion. Oh wait, let me see if you can see. Pretty cool. So that's there for this little bed. My fabric raised bed. Look at that. Still holding up from last season. Yes, yes. So this is where the garlic came from. And then these are laying over. Oh, it wasn't ready. I shouldn't have pulled it. Well, I got to go. I won't pull anymore. I'm going to wait about a week or so to pull the rest of these and see if that was the right thing to do. But yeah, I was like, I have to show it. My phone, though, my other phone was done. I was like, I got to come on and show the people the onion and garlic harvest. But that's all I wanted for today, guys. Like, share, subscribe. I have more videos in the queue, but got some things in the works. But like, share, subscribe, and most importantly, grow. Many blessings.